Hi everyone. So this is your first assignment doing this distance learning. What I'm going to do is I have given you these packets already, those who are in my class. Those who are not, the packet is attached, okay? So you can easily find it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run through some questions that I think you're going to have troubles with because there's a couple things that we didn't get to cover yet, but we can cover through this packet. This packet is a review of everything you learned from the whole year. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but the good news is either me or Mr. Kofed or anyone else can help you with this assignment. Ms. Huck knows it all, Mrs. Anderson knows it, Miss K knows it, so you can ask any of us any of these questions. We will be willing to help you. All right, so you need to go through and do the best you can on these. Number one right away here, you should know that -3, you got to make them happy. Where do you need to bring them, okay? So I'm just giving you little hints. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skip down to number 8, so please look at number 8. Significant digits. We didn't get to talk about significant digits yet. Significant digits are, anything is significant if it's after decimal. After decimal, for sure, those are all significant because that means that they're measuring to that distance, so that's important to them. So if you were measuring something all the way out to the 10th or 100th position, that is significant. What happens is 0 is sometimes the one that's not significant. Let's say we have the number 100. We don't know where they were rounding to, so we assume that they are rounding to the 100th position, so that only has one significant digit. Now, if they put 100.00, we know that they measured all the way out to this 100th position, so that gives us a different amount of significant digits. Otherwise, if a 0 is in between two numbers, like sandwiched in between, those are all significant. And any non-zero number is a significant number. Okay, so let's take a look. This one, these are all after the decimal. Okay, so that means that we went and we measured out all the way to this position. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4